Welcome to Auto City. Today, we're exploring the all-new 2025 Toyota Innova, a vehicle that perfectly balances luxury, practicality, and advanced technology. Known as the ultimate family car, the Innova has consistently set benchmarks in the MPV segment, and the 2025 model takes things to the next level. Let's dive into what makes this new version truly impressive. The 2025 Toyota Innova comes with a bold and modern design that immediately grabs attention. The front features a large grille with chrome accents, flanked by sleek LED headlights and distinctive DRLs. The redesigned bumper adds a sporty touch, while the sculpted hood gives the Innova a commanding road presence. The side profile highlights premium alloy wheels, strong character lines, and chrome-finished window surrounds. At the rear, you'll find wraparound LED taillights, a roof spoiler, and a refined bumper design that completes its sophisticated look. Step inside, and the 2025 Innova greets you with a luxurious and spacious cabin. The interior is crafted with top-quality materials, including leather upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, and wood grain accents, creating a premium feel. The versatile 3-row seating layout comfortably accommodates up to 7 or 8 passengers, depending on the configuration. For added convenience, the seats are designed with reclining and folding options, offering ample cargo space when needed. Ambient lighting enhances the overall cabin experience, making every journey relaxing and enjoyable. The new Innova is packed with advanced technology to keep everyone entertained and connected. A massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto serves as the central hub for multimedia and navigation. The driver benefits from a fully digital instrument cluster and a heads-up display, providing key information at a glance. Additional features include a wireless charging pad, a premium JBL sound system, multiple USB-C ports, and automatic climate control to ensure maximum comfort on every trip. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Innova offers 2 engine options, a refined petrol engine and an efficient hybrid powertrain. The hybrid variant is especially noteworthy for its smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Both engines are paired with a CVT or a 6-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless power delivery and a comfortable driving experience. With its improved suspension and enhanced 10 levels, the Innova guarantees a smooth and quiet ride, even on rough roads. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Innova is no exception. The car is equipped with Toyota's Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera for superior visibility. Multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, and a strong body structure ensure maximum protection for all passengers, giving you peace of mind on every journey. The 2000